Hi everybody, welcome to Vegan Vision. Today we are going to see why meat eaters don't want to eat plant-based foods. If you like my content so far, please subscribe and give a thumbs up or down so I can adjust my content. Feel free to comment on every video that I make and I will always respond. Now back to the content of this video. The taste of vegan food isn't just about what we eat, it's about what we expect. In a large blind taste test conducted by Nectar in 2025 involving 2,700 participants, researchers found that some plant-based food products, like certain vegan chicken and burgers, scored just as well or even better than their meat counterparts. Out of 122 meat alternatives tested, 20 were rated equally or more favorably. But beyond taste, our personal beliefs play a powerful role. A 2024 study published in Group Processes and Intergroup Relations found that meat eaters who strongly hold on traditional ideas, like the belief that eating meat is normal or necessary, tend to rate vegan food as less tasty even before trying it. They perceive veganism as a symbolic threat, which negatively influences their judgment. And finally, words matter. Research published in Appetite 2024 showed that labeling can shape taste perception. A chocolate dessert labeled vegan mousse was rated very differently compared to the same dessert labeled creamy coconut dessert with cocoa. The taste was identical, but the experience was completely different. In short, vegan food can taste great, but whatever we think it does often depends on what we believe, expect, and value. Do you think that your taste is objective? Or do you think it is a threat and subjective? Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Thank you so much for watching. I am Christian from Vegan Vision and see you in my next video.